happy?
Come on and breeze down this highway. Speed up this ride now. No trials too strong.
Halu, it's Saturday and we don't have Yayis, we don't have Papa, we don't have Lola also. So, Mama's in charge of making lunch for the whole family. So, what Mama made is ordered through Grab. You happy? You like it?
Yeah.
Sit down natin. Burger steak for the girls. And I got myself some honey beef. Tapos, we also got strawberry cheese pie, yung 6 pieces. Wait lang, dinner time na, and ako pa din with the kiddos. They're doing arts and crafts. And magluluto lang ako. Ang request ni Ellie is yung binibenta ko na chicken tocino. So, kid-friendly siya kasi gusto nga ni Ellie. So, I'll just cook for a while.
Picture. It's cotton candies. I made the paper. You have to put it right here. And also of paper pet. Squid really.
This one?
Mama, do squid really sting?
Squid?
Do they really sting?
Yeah.
Not like sour. Wow. There's plenty of games down there.
Don't touch. Feel yan. Come on.
Wow.
Yes,
You want to show them what you got from Time Zone?
Yeah.
What did you get?
We got from Time Zone rubber tales
Rubber tiles.
and
Rubber ties. Can you show them your rubber tally?
okay. Here, they're in the shape of a princess.
There are two. One for you and one for Lilian.
Yeah.
And then, what's the other one?
There is erasers, but Lillian got the eraser, one eraser, and this is mine. Then I got a panda. So cute with the 7. You got a bunny. So next I have this pencil. Next I have this pencil that I for school. See? Got this pencil.
That's all?
Yep.
Yeah, because we only got a few tickets. Next time we come back, we'll play harder to get more tickets. Okay? And go back at the back.
Oh, but I want to stay here first. But
No. Kids are not allowed to stay in front. Come on. And Venice will also get sad. Venice is so tired.
Like Tucker is so lonely when because there's no one at the back for him.
Oh, so you go at the back. You get all your things.
Goodbye.
Nasa asawa ko kasi yung card.
Hindi pala nakasave.
Alin yung yellow?
Pareho. Ito na.